Well, actually, I worked for around 5 years in on-premise only
Okay.
for
Okay.
onboarding, offboarding users, that and all.
Okay. I started recording. Fine. Go ahead.
Okay, so that see in user we will check roles. In
Okay.
roles, no, you don't have any role assigned. Only if some role assigned, you will get access to admin center.
Okay. 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 That's the reason. Better.
Okay,
Okay. Next.
and then what they will ask is what are all roles available in Office 365.
What are the roles means?
So yeah, we have lot of roles here. Based on that, we will assign to our team.
Okay. We have so
For
many roles for
example,
each
our
one.
user, our Prabhu Tulsiram and all have user
Administrator.
administrator access.
Prabhu.
So
For the offboarding. Offboarding purpose.
if they get user administrator, they will get access to this admin center, active users, groups, exchange, everything.
Suppose I will
So
ask Asgar. Asgar will give.
yeah, yes,
They will ask
they,
question why you have
they
given.
need a DPIN approval for that.
Oh, no, no. It's a good thing.
See,
Suppose I will ask. They will ask question. Obviously, this is why you have to involve in.
these
Yeah.
are all the users have access.
Ibrin, Srihari, Abdul, Ankit
Uh,
Pandey also you given. Okay. For user admin access. Administration access. Okay.
yeah,
Fine.
user administrator.
Okay.
We have many access pro. That is user administrator, then exchange administrator.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Second also completed. I think. Second topic also completed. I think.
Only these roles.
Okay.
User administrator, exchange. Uh, After exchange, no, then report reader.
Okay.
These are all access we are providing now.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you have authentication administrator.
ADFS.
No, authentication administrator.
It's a new
Privilege.
role. I think I saw in the Dipin email. It's
Yes.
in testing stage. Initial stage.
No. Why we need this accesses to have access to MFA?
MFA, but there is
Hmm.
we need to pay some separate on this particular
No, no,
stage.
no, no, not like that. Only if they
But
give access to.
only if only Asgar only doing this.
Actually, until now, only global admin can. There is another role, global admin.
Only global admin only they can able to do.
Global admin will have all access.
Yes,
They
yes.
only had access to MFA. But now what happened? Microsoft gave MFA access for this admin role also.
Better
So
to
what
exchange
happened
the role.
now?
Okay, okay.
Yes. Now they assigned this role to me. So from now on, I will also check MFA and I will activate MFA.
Super. Okay.
Yeah. But there some bugs are there in Microsoft, so they are working on it. We have a ticket open with them. So these are all major roles which we use. If you tell this is also fine.
Okay.
And what is hybrid environment? Hybrid environment means we are in hybrid environment now. That is AD on-premise AD also there, cloud also there.
Okay.
So when we create a user, we create users in on-premise AD, and then it gets syncs to cloud. That is called hybrid environment.
How we are? Is any services we have using any application? Is
Yeah, yesterday I shared, right? But I don't have access to that. AD Connect. AD Connect installed, what it do is every 30 minutes it will sync
for
with on
server we
AD.
are installing or in this AD connector?
Yeah, this is I think in Azure server they
This is
installed
one
it.
type of application. We need to install the server. It will be synced with the
Cloud,
on-prem.
yes.
Okay.
From on-premise it will sync to our tenant cloud.
That's the reason we are using on-premises and
Yes.
cloud as well. For
Yes, sir.
due to this requirement, we are using two servers.
Yeah, actually we have all our objects still in on-premise only.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Suppose you are creating a new request, it will be suppose new employee joining, creating the
Yes.
user. It will be doing for the 10.1.17. 10.1.1.
Wherever you can create in 1.6 also you can create.
Okay.
What happened in next 30 minutes it will sync.
Yeah, yes, yes, I saw.
So next 30 minutes you can see that user here in active users.
Yes, yes. It will be sync automatically by default.
Yeah, yes. By default every 30 minutes it will sync. But there is one setting there. We set cloud sync OU is there.
Okay.
They selected few OUs. Only when they create users in that OU, it will sync.
Globally also we have to do same way.
Yeah, yes.
We have a globally different server, different on-premises server. Suppose we have Malaysia, and we
Yeah,
have a Spain.
we have different domains there. In that domain also same.
Suppose we want to create a new account, different domains. How we can proceed?
See here, we will go and change the domain.
Okay, okay. So we have to change the domain. We can create. Okay, fine.
Yeah, here we have all domains here for
Okay,
Egypt,
okay,
India,
okay,
Delhi.
okay.
So we will select that and we will create. If I am creating in any folder, it will not sync. Only these users, like this specific folders, were syncing to
First, we need
on-premise.
to change the domain. Then we have to create.
Which domain you want user, that domain you have to change.
Suppose
This
we can create in some another domain. We have to move. It will be work.
for that there is another process, migration, that Asker will do, domain to domain transfer.
Yes. Okay, there's a big thing. Okay.
So this is what we are checking, hybrid environment.
Hybrid
The
completed.
creation and user creation.
Onboarding offboards are completed.
In case of offboarding, we have several access. If I'm not sure if you can catch single session. We have content search. Here, what we do is we will get a user mailbox backup.
First, we need to take the user mailbox backup.
Offboarding, yes. They will back up to our backup server and then,
Suppose we have to search, it will be trigger email.
yeah, yes. Whenever I do a search, you will get an email. Even yesterday, I did some search and name office.
Or you can change your view better. Single view, you will so many mails you can able to view.
See,
Yeah,
Ahmed started a search yesterday, today early morning, so it will trigger to this team. You also getting right in mental support.
yeah. I am also getting it. See, recently they enabled, I think, Asgara.
Yeah, yes. User starts content search. So if he is doing something, we will get alert. So if I started, you will get alert.
Who is
Everyone.
doing the activity? It will be know everyone.
Yeah, yes. Once you click view details, it will take you there. You have access.
Okay,
So
coming to
it's a
next
part
point
of
better.
and
DL
DL creation. Creation is what we are doing is we created already. Uh, here, yeah,
DLA means generic idea.
no, DL means distribution group,
Okay.
like IFCO support.
Okay, okay.
These are all groups. Even here we have this
It's
is
looking
on
like a normal mail idea. DL means
for example, IFCO support there, right? It is a DL.
finish. If ko support finish thing.
Yeah, that is a DL. So when we create this DL, when we can add desktop users to this DL. So when you send mail to this ID, they will get mails.
Yeah, I understand.
So that is distribution list.
It's completed.
And what is your role in O365 means? What type of role you got? I will ask a question for Ankit. I asked, he said he have global admin. Based on that, I will go for next how we can ask.
What I have to tell better? Reader access.
You tell this user admin.
It's very little.
Admin only these guys doing. Prabhu, Hamid and all. They have all.
Onboarding this thing, sir. User access exchange means it is different.
Exchange is different. Exchange, I and Febrin only have, now Ankit have.
Okay, I will tell you exchange better.
Exchange admin, they will get full accesses.
Exchange means we have to manage all the things, sir.
Yeah, yes, there are a lot of things in exchange.
Only you have a exchange access only. You and Ankit and global access only for Asgara.
Yes, once you get a global admin access, you have all other access.
Yeah, it will come. Yeah, like suppose we are giving in keys in you. You have a total everything actually in your home, like I have to explain.
So what is your role in O365 is done. And even E3 license, they will ask
What?
what are all license, what is the difference between these licenses.
What are the? It's a cost. Huh? I have to tell me.
Cost is also matter, but major thing is E1 license. We are all having E1 license.
Yeah, I am also having 50 GB mailbox. Huh?
Yeah, yeah. Only for 100
I have to tell
users we have.
any futures is there E1 license. What do you mean by E1 and E3 license? They will ask.
That only they will ask. For that, what you can tell is E1 license. We are all having E1 license. That is 50 GB mailbox storage.
Okay.
Okay. In
It's
case of E3, uh,
Jay Google dalle. I will do Google. 100 GB mailbox size. Yeah. Only how many type of license? E1, E2, E1 and E3 only.
E5 and some other license with P1, P2 and all there. But we use this only. Have any office
We have
application?
managing E1 and E3 license.
Yes.
No
Even
office applications. Okay,
no
office apps.
office means MS Office you have to install Excel, Word and all.
Okay, but E3
In case of
license we can
E3, it is
included. Okay,
like
nothing is
before.
changed. 50 GB space given included office. I can suppose you can log in or you can download.
Yeah, yes. And online archive is there.
Both online archive means you given for
After 100 GB.
you showed me discovered the archive file.
No. Automatically archive in cloud.
Okay.
Here after 50 GB we are archiving to our local no.
Mm.
In our PC we are archiving, but for this they will give cloud storage. So they don't need to copy any mail to local.
But in the E1 license must be copying the local file only.
Only 50 GB after that we have to. So like this we have some differences. These three are major. You can tell this.
Okay, online archive is completed.
That is all. And shared mailbox.
Okay.
Box is it doesn't require a license.
Share mailbox,
So actually you can create a user. You can assign E1 license, and you can
Yeah,
convert
can
to
you show me
shared.
how to assign license in the admin center? Like normally adding and removing like
Yeah, yes. For example, I will open the user.
suppose we are removing the license, you will get a mail trigger email.
No. So this is I am opening a user, and whatever the license I want, I can think. If I want to give you E3, I can check this and save. Now we gave E1 for you.
See, so many licenses are there here.
Lot of licenses there. That is for Teams, Teams phone. This will give a separate number for the user. We have only
Phone call feature is there in this license. And Binish told last time. You can call me in the Microsoft Teams. How you are not able to call? I don't have that type of license. How I can call? I have E1 license only. Only few people also given this like international call facility will be there. I think.
Yes, that will be there only for few. 9 license yes, and another phone license also there.
This data you are sending every day checklist, I think.
Yes, this is what I'm saying.
It's completed. Online active you completed. Share mailbox.
Shared mailbox, how so created. I will get into Exchange.
She's learning very slow.
You create a user, assign E1 license, then they will come here.
Okay.
will get a mailbox here. Once they get a mailbox, you can open that. Select. Here you will get convert to shared mailbox. If you click this, it will convert to shared mailbox. And then what happened, once converted, you can remove the license. So one license cost is removed. Okay.
Once converted the mailbox.
Once it is converted to share, you can remove the license.
Yeah, but whom to share this? Sir, other user?
Wait, I will show you.
It will add automatically by all the people.
I will show. And then what happened? That mailbox will come to here, shared mailbox.
Yeah, last time I think our team are created. I think shared mailbox. I thought I remember.
See, this is test which I and Febrin use. So we converted to shared mailbox and removed license. Now I can open this. Under mailbox delegation, we can give access. Who need access, we can give. Okay. Once it is given, user should close and open their Outlook, so they will get that mailbox in this list. See, this is the one test.
Yeah. And the IFCO also you created last time, I think. I remember.
We have lot of mailboxes. So what happened? This will get 50 GB storage without license.
Yeah, Finnish self disk they created, I think.
So we will have 50 GB storage without license.
ISMIS they created.
Yeah, bro, we create lot of mailboxes. We are creating shared also.
Oh my god, okay.
Access. So I want to give you access. I will go delegation and I will add. Okay. That's it. So that is
okay.
We have lot. If I go everything, you can get.
PowerShell modules is different, huh?
PowerShell is for Exchange and all. I think you don't want to get into that. That have lot of commands and all.
Okay, leave it. They will ask any question, I will tell you and start working on this.
And the MFA. MFA is multi-factor authentication. Now I don't have access actually. That also a part of question.
Why we have worked on MFA multi-factor authentication for using for security purpose? I will tell you.
Yeah, that is for login. We have two authentication. One is password and another is OTP.
They will ask sometime, huh?
Yeah, yes. What is MFA means? We have to do this.
Okay. Content set.
Content search I shown you right while getting backup.
Okay, fine. Email backup.
Here you can go and get mailbox backup.
Quarantine means this is like actually in my server there is a quarantine particular mission. There is a quarantine.
Yes, but here it is different. See, this is quarantine. Quarantine, what happened? Some emails, if it is phishing or spam, that and all will be quarantined.
Yeah, so many emails are there.
A lot of emails.
You have to do this all the mails checking daily one by one, huh?
Yes. See, this is from some other center. Recipient is in. It is a phishing mail, so it got blocked. If user says I want this, I want email from this sender, I'm not getting, like that we will get some calls.
Release the email you click, it will be going to user.
Release it. Okay.
Email you are sending. Suppose pre-actively they need to do add the checklist, safer list.
Yes, they can add.
Yes, so many emails are there. Oh my god.
See, this guy is sending lot of emails. Same guy.
You can give the Ankit to do the things.
Ankit, we gave already. We asked him to check quarantine every day. So it is a phishing mail blocked. So that is not a problem. Yesterday, what happened? All the mails got quarantined. Even IFCO mails.
Why?
No, yesterday is a lot of work for me.
Why, any problem
See,
in Exchange?
something they are working for signature, no? That time something happened. So yesterday once I logged in, Asker wants me to immediately I'm updated. Prism at IFCO, 400 emails released out of 976. 900 emails quarantine from Prism. I'm releasing one.
Oh my
The
god.
time
Oh,
we
maybe there is no issue. I think we actually actually yesterday I got a complaint from the Prism. We are not getting emails. Why there is any issue in SMTP? They asking.
there is issue. I only worked on it.
Okay, okay. In Asker ask it to check. They're telling please ignore it. They're telling why is telling ignoring. I'm not sure.
Who asked me to ignore Asker?
Yeah, the server is any issue. We
Because
checked.
we are working on it, right? So he asked me to. And I released 1,000 emails from this. 980 totally I released. And then IFCO SMTP 2 released.
1 to 1, you have to release.
100 at a time we can release 100. You know this winter alert or something, support desk 300, automail 97, that keep on creating automail. Again 93 came. So yesterday fully I am doing this. IFCO portal 196 emails. These much mails quarantine, bro. Almost for UPS alert, no? 3,000 emails. 3,899 mails I released for UPS alert.
But we have to add this particular things. Why it's every time we have to.
No, yesterday some problem happened, so it got quarantine.
So in the Microsoft Exchange or what?
Yeah, yes. Cloud, that only quarantine. So it is that will come here. So we have to check, select, and give release.
Better to work on a server.
If I select it, see I can release totally all 100 now. We can release.
Yes, so many are there. Oh my god. SMTP?
SMTP, they will ask what is SMTP. SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP means that is your email ID is SMTP.
SMTP configurations are there.
Okay, you already have an email ID, right?
Yes.
I have to add another email ID. I'll ask you to add it. So you have to add. You know how to add? That is the question.
Why are you adding a capital? Suppose we have to add some
Wait, it is
same name,
your volume low.
Now?
Yeah, yes.
Suppose we want to add new ID in existing ID, it's
no,
fine.
you went here, no? You went here. Still we are in 15 point only.
Okay.
They will ask how you will add another email ID. You already have t_smanikanda@ifco.com.
Okay.
And they want you to add this ID also. So you can do that in on-prem ID.
Okay.
AD lot of questions there, bro.
Office 365, so many questions are there.
The
JD also they mentioned Office 365 we have to mandatory 2 out of 3. Okay. I will tell you Active Directory and IP VMware. I will not coming to Office 365. But it seems very easy. But why it's looking like very easy. But why it's taking too much? Its work is very high.
See, if you want to add one more email address, you should open your object and then in attribute editor, here you will have proxy.
Okay.
Proxy addresses. Here you can give SMTP. Oh, I don't have access. I should log in as SRV admin. Once I log in now, I can add one more email to you.
That email is also I will get that particular email.
Yes. Okay. At that time, here what I will do is I will type as SMTP : E.
info.com.
So what happened when I send mail to this ID also, you will get mail.
Okay, multiple IDs. Okay.
Yes, for example, once Abrar left, no, what we did is we added
Deepina?
the SMTP
Deepin?
to
Asgar
Dipin.
and
Yes, yes.
Deepina? Both
Yeah,
are?
for Dipin added. Abrar email ID added to Dipin's proxy.
Still, I think it's added, I think.
If still there means if I send a mail to Abrar email, then it will go to Dipin.
And deactivated or there is still Abrar mail ID?
You can check. Dipin in which one? AE city?
Tiffany Tower. Tiffin sitting on
City
F1.
Sarjava?
Sharjah, Tiffany Tower.
No. Object. City Dubai, Tiffany Tower user.
I told you, na?
See, City Dubai, Tiffany Tower users. When
Not there.
wait, where proxy address? See, Abicon.
Abrar is still there, yeah. So many emails are there.
So when they send email to Abrar, he will get mail.
They will know everything, huh? That's the reason everything they are following to me or Siva or Asgar. I think it will be actually he is working from so many long time. I think 13 years. Maybe so many people are there. No, maybe Abrar is there.
Yeah. Okay, bro. Let's finish this quickly. I have.
Yeah, better you have to remember. That's the reason
Yes.
I'm also asking. You will ask any
And
question.
when you have more email IDs, only one SMTP will be in capital.
Okay.
That will be primary ID. When you add 2 or 3 email ID to your profile, that will be in small case.
Okay.
How to block email domain? When a sender is sending an email, you have to block it, no? For that, what happens? We have a group named block domain, block senders, where we will add the sender to block.
Okay.
That group will be added to transport role. Transport role is there in Exchange.
Okay.
There we can create a rule. If any sender from any email from this group, block it.
Okay.
But what I will do is I will add at abc.com. This I add this user to block sender group. Okay. Now what happening now in transport rule, we will have a rule. If any email coming from this group,
Okay.
or
Starting
if
with this same name.
no, if any email is coming and the sender is member of this group, I will block it. That we can give in transport rule.
Okay.
That,
Suppose any
that
suspicious
email.
mails coming on this
That
particular email ID, we are blocking like this.
We are blocking. How we are blocking is in Exchange admin we have a group. In this group we have block.
How many domains are blocked as of now?
So this is senders. We have a lot of senders blocked. So when email comes from any of this sender, it will block.
Oh my God! So many are
We
there.
have a lot there.
Oh.
So for this, what happened? We have rules here. In this rule, we added that group.
Oh, this also some groups are there.
These and all. This one rules. See, if any email one email coming means okay. If one email coming to you from your Gmail ID, that email should pass all these rules. Enabled rules, no. If it pass, you will get it, or else you will not get.
It will be
All this.
coming to you in the SWAN center, admin center.
Yeah, yes. Actually, in Exchange, whatever email is coming, that will search for all these rules. If it is pass, it will go to user or it will go to quarantine.
Oh my god. Okay. Like
So
very.
in that rule, this is one more rule. What happen if sender is member of this group,
Okay.
then reject the message, and it will go to quarantine.
Okay. You are sending these emails every day.
That is different.
That is different, huh?
Lots are there, bro.
ADFS, I think.
ADFS means Active Directory Federation Service. That is what AD which we are seeing now. That
Oh,
is
you
used
showed me
for
ADFS.
SSO. Yeah, SSO, everything.
Uh,
Everything in total, it is called as ADFS.
Single sign-in means? Single sign-in means?
Single sign-on means for with single login ID, you are accessing Teams, OneDrive, everything. No,
No, no. Here they asked also.
see, with single sign-on, I can access all these apps. That is
Okay.
single sign-on. You do not need to give password for each app, only for one.
Okay, okay. That means what is the services is called?
SSO, single sign-on.
That is some name we have to call it.
That
ADFS.
is ADFS. ADFS. Now I said no, Active Directory Federation Service.
We have to use this single sign-in for all the multiple applications
Mm.
and the on-premise. How it will be work? They will ask question.
No,
ADFS how
that
it.
all they will not ask. Yeah, that is very big chapter, bro. You cannot explain that.
Last time they asked the same question.
Mm.
I'm completely blind.
Mm. You can still tell ADFS is a identity access. It will check for user details in on-premises, and it also provides a single sign-on access SSO like that. You can tell.
Okay, okay, okay.
That will be simple.
Simple question. Okay. Suppose I will ask. They will ask any question. I will tell. They will be. Oh, he know.
Mm. Yes. And how to reserve an IP address? That is your part, right? DHCP.
DHCP. Yeah. SQ. What
That
is
also.
SCL? SCL means?
SCL is spam confidence level.
Oh my god. Okay.
Bro, that is when we receive an email, no, we can read that email, go to properties, headers, copy. And what we do, we will check it in this Microsoft Analyzer.
Copy paste.
Okay. Yes, everyone will do this. mha.azurewebsites.net. This is Microsoft tool. Paste
For
it,
only for Microsoft mails or any all the mails.
all mails. So it will analyze and tell
It's
what is spam confidence level. It is more than 3 or 5. It's a spam mail. It is internal mail, so -1.
I have to check my personal emails also like this.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. It's only the result will be giving to Microsoft. Huh?
It will just analyze the email and it will tell you if it is a genuine email or not.
Okay. Tell
We
me
have
what is
one
the
more
website?
tool.
MFA,
One,
MAH. Yeah.
yeah, one more tool is mxtoolbox.com. There also you can check.
Okay.
Analyze. This will also tell you. We use both this to block senders and all. See, this nothing is there like that. It's shown.
MX tools and next website AHMR.
I will share.
Better give me. They will ask. I will send. I will tell you.
Good time.
I think cyber security team they are looking this. Cyber security related courses also covering this. Okay. Okay.
Post mailbox means room mailbox.
Okay.
We create room mailbox for this new Teams meeting or new meeting. If you go,
Okay.
you will see these rooms, right?
Okay.
For this, you have to create a mailbox and convert it to room mailbox.
Okay, with the room mailbox we have attached somewhere, some any device.
No. See, this is a mailbox. In S&D, we have these much rooms.
No, reservation, how in the meeting rooms
That
we have
only.
multiple meeting rooms. That's the reason, huh?
That's
Okay.
the reason we created this. So if I booking a room
Mm.
130 to 2, this AUH,
Mm.
in this mailbox it will register that I already booked. So next you cannot book for the same time.
And
For that we need a mailbox.
okay, this email ID we have to configure the particular box, surface box,
Yes, we have a script we used to work in
Okay, okay.
PowerShell.
Last time you worked, I think. You sending
Yeah, we
emails.
do lot of
Mm.
mailboxes. There is some script we are running, so that only you can do. You can just create a user and then you have to work on PowerShell script. It is PowerShell.
Yeah, wow. Oh my God.
Wait, this is a single. What I selected is for one room mailbox.
Okay.
This is Salita commercial is created as a user.
Okay.
Then I am changing it as a room
Okay.
and I am setting calendar processing updates.
So
So
pre-configured script, Azure will give you what?
this is a default script. Wherever
Default
you
give.
go, only we have to change this email ID what you are creating.
Okay, okay. Leave it. Coming to next.
And then you will add this mailbox to this group.
Yeah, which group? Okay.
Tiffany Tower, Teams meeting room. These two group, if I add, then only you will see here. Conf room as the Teams meeting room.
Okay.
If I add, it will display here.
Okay.
This is a resource mailbox.
Okay.
And then retention policy. Retention policy is little bit big thing, bro. But simply I will tell. For example, we saw that online archive, right, for E3.
Okay.
In E3 now, what happened after 1 year,
Okay.
email will move to online archive.
Okay.
26 March. So 26 March 21 email today it moved to online
For
archive.
particular E3 license,
E3 license, every user it will be. In this retention tag only it was selected 1 year.
Okay.
So if a user wants to move online archive for 6, got it?
Got it. Got it.
For example, I created a retention tag and retention policy, and in that I mentioned that emails more than 6 months should move to online archive. If I give that no, then for example, here you can see mailbox. In mailbox futures, you can see retention policy.
Only particular license people only will get.
Three.
E3 people.
Default policy is assigned for depend. If I click this, whatever I created, I can see. I created this 8 months for Raj. If I select this and save now, then depends mailbox more than 8 months, all emails will go to archive.
They will trigger email also.
No, it will not trigger, but we can set this policy. So that is called a retention policy. Quarantine and all. If some email is phishing, it will move to quarantine. That is exchange claim protection.
Okay,
For that, we need a license. Actually, you can see here it is assigned Microsoft Defender. Also, daily I am sending mail now. That is a license. Microsoft Defender. We purchased it.
For production or what? At
For all the users. That will scan your emails, everything. It will protect us.
If there is any vulnerability will be there, it will be protected.
There is any malicious links or something, it will protect.
Okay, fine. Now I understand.
will filter in cloud itself. Before email deliver to you, it will
Either it will
analyze.
become
Just like antivirus.
even after this also we are getting so many emails. I think.
This, that's why we are having always having call with Microsoft. Still, we are regularizing it.
One good thing in, one bad thing is there. You
Yeah,
don't
yes.
manage any server, took the backups. Everything back end managing in this I think Exchange only, the
Okay.
email database.
And Azure AD is same as AD that
Eh,
you will get it in this admin center.
okay.
See here, I will have Azure Active Directory.
Okay.
Here also we can manage users, manage MFA. I can see what are device you
I can able to log in. I think I don't have access. I think
can
last
have
time you
access.
blacked in the Gautam John mails. I need to get all the information. Oh my god.
See, whenever you log in,
I
from where
have
you
I have added 13 groups. Oh my god. Oof, oof, oof. My activity also everything will be there.
sign in log, from where you sign in.
Total all our
See,
history will be there. When you are signing in.
Central you signed in from any server, it shows Dubai, Sacha, Andhra. You tell I'm in office and in Bangalore, and if you sign in from Andhra, you will catch here.
They will get the information. Hey, this is my router app here. 10.117.221.62.116. Yeah, I think Outlook login. I think 20th of yesterday.
Like this is Azure Active Directory.
Oh my god,
Uh,
it's way. I think I need to log in only one device. I'm logging multiple devices.
I can see these devices. What
Sorry,
are all
sorry.
devices logged in?
Bro, this S. Venkatraman is my brother. This is my mother laptop. Last time I logged. Sorry, this is my laptop also. I log in this all the so it will be show. Oh my god.
Yes, you can see all your details. You log in iOS, so you have iPhone that we will capture here when you
Oh
log
my
in.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm wondering, yeah. This record,
So,
yeah, still it's working or not also it will be show.
see, last activity it is showing March 23, March 21. This
Come to
week,
right side, come to right side,
right or
right side,
left?
left. Enable S means S.
This one, huh? Huh?
Manikanta and quotation means what is this?
That is some device name you registered like that.
Okay, my phone. Yes, that's fine.
This is your computer name. What you have, that name will display.
Uh, last time I changed the two laptops. There is some issue in my laptop. That's the reason it's synced everything. You will get a trigger. So this we are changing this.
Only
Okay.
if required, we will go and see. This is the device registration. So we can see here, device registered or not.
Okay, we can manage the device as well. We have to black device as well using MAC address. Oh my god.
See your device ID,
Okay.
last activity.
Okay.
Then
TLS
TLS
transfer.
layer security. That is almost done, bro. TLS. We had
1.2,
TL.
1.3, 1 point
Yes.
something will be there.
1.1, 1.0.
Mm.
These were deprecated by Microsoft. Now we have to use only 1.2,
Mm.
and now we made it. Everything is now 1.2. So
Okay.
some devices will use 1.0, 1.1
How
as used.
we have to identify in admin center only these things.
See TLS. Just now I sent that report. No,
Ah, okay. So I saw.
that report I will do.
Why
This is
we have
security
to
port.
we have to show the to management.
Yeah, yes, we had a few.
The
We
email
had
communication properly is going on. We need to show.
see these much senders.
Mm.
They are sending 1.0 TLS
Version how we identify from the user PC or what?
from the mail. I copied, right, this properties,
Okay.
this property. So when you put in this analyzer, it will show you email triggering with 1.2. Got it?
Okay, each and every mail you have to check.
Each and every sender one email. If we check, we will get to know.
Okay.
Okay, here in authentication client, if I go visit the report, here it will show TLS emails. See, everything is 1.2, 100%.
No, bro. I might not understand. 1.2. It's a configured on user PC or where?
It is configured in the application which you are sending mail.
Okay.
We have
Like a software in our organization, we have software team. Software
they
which
are sending mail. No, Sapphire application sending in 1.0. When they send in 1.0, it will show here.
Okay.
When I click, see, when I click view details, it will show 1.0 sent by this email. How many emails, percentage.
Okay. We need to check with the application team these things.
That's what I am sending this email every week. We checked with them and we completed and finished it. Only
Pending for
pending is
the only software IMS only pending.
pending, that is also now completed. Zoho replaced.
Your hard disk replaced software in this week. Already replaced.
Already replaced. Now it is live. Today I have to send this report again.
Okay, coming to next point. It's completed mostly. He has completed OneDrive.
OneDrive, they will ask, OneDrive, how will you check OneDrive sync, that and all. SharePoint, what I ask is, do you have access to SharePoint? How to assign permissions?
No.
Even I don't know. I don't know.
You don't have.
Yes, bro. SharePoint admin only have access. That tasker only.
So many openings are the SharePoint, I think.
For SharePoint, we have different team itself. I think Yogesh.
Okay, bro.
As
Thank
of
you
now,
for
this is around 30 questions there.
whatever they will ask, I will tell you some basic thing as of now I understand.